Hello, guys. Welcome to PK's Tribe once again. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, and share my videos. This is a great opportunity for me to talk to you people. So, we're going to talk about basically the remote work, which is right now a key area for most of the jobs in the market. And as promised, I came back with another video for you people out there. So, remote work basically learning the tools and what are the strategies involved and how to ensure productivity and also work-life balance. This video is going to be basically for the beginners, freshers out of the school and colleges, and I will also kind of teach you what are the things which is involved in getting the work done for most of the employers remotely. So we're going to talk about this topic today. So the benefits of remote work is really huge in terms of involving and performing your job duties, uh, you know, than working from office. Uh, Being said, you have a lot of digital tools which is available in the market right now, and you can communicate and enhance your credentials and complete your task pretty quickly with these tools right now. So you could be really productive and also have a lot of time management because you are working from home. You could manage your time precisely rather than having distraction and maintaining productivity. When we talk about working from remotely, you have a lot of area and space to work quietly, and you have your own time to give for yourself and have much more things which you can implement and create a collaborative environment for yourself. You can also have your own personal time and avoid burnout. You don't have to travel to office every day where a lot of your energy would be worn out and then you'll have to do a lot of work and then traveling time. All these things would be eliminated. These are the most essential part of remote work and the great benefits which it offers. So now we're going to talk about few of the challenges. I would not say it's a challenges. It's one of the key requirements of working remotely. You need to have a very good laptop and desktop. Meaning, the model with maybe like 16 GB RAM, a good SSD storage, a quality webcam, which is basically required in order for you to get that quality of work. So that's one important thing which you would need. And you would also need a lot of good gadgets. For example, a good headphone, uh, you know, where you get your noise canceled, the noise which is really would come from outside when you're working. So those kind of things can be eliminated. And then you would also need a couple of other gadgets. Maybe you need a second monitor to reduce your strain and boost efficiency. So that's very important when you're working remotely. And that the one more major factor when we work in remote at home, you need to have a really good internet connection, which needs to be really stable, high speed connection, and which would enable you to do a lot of video calling and file sharing and things like that. So you need to keep this in mind when you're doing remote job. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the communication and collaboration part when it comes to remote work. So when you're doing a video conferencing, there's a tool called Zoom, which you need to download, and it's free for 40 minutes. You have Google Meet and Microsoft Teams. So basically, these are the tools which you use and download it on your mobile as well as your laptop or desktop and use it for video conferencing. Then we have Team Chat where you could talk to your team members using Slack, Microsoft Teams for the real-time messaging, and also for the you know sharing of your files. You could do everything with these tools. And for working, so basically you'll have be you if you're into sales or into IT testing or development, any kind of workforce, you need to track your task. So there are a lot of task tracking from Trello, Asana for organizing your task and also working and collaborating with it. So there is something for also for time management where you could do time tracking. There's a tool called Toggle and Todoist where you could align your list of work which you're going to do and track your task. So the other important thing you need to have is your file storage and security. Basically, when you talk about this storage, very important. You can either store it in your Google Drive, which is 15 GB or free. There's something called Dropbox. You get your 2 GB free. And there are other enterprise security and storage is available. You could use them as well. So when you're working remotely, you need to strategize your work and be productive. You need to block your timing, schedule your work, focus on your breaks, and use Google Calendar for keeping your task aligned with your work schedule and meetings and everything, which you could basically use a calendar to block your work. Another way to focus on your work is you need to block unwanted websites where you probably will be using more time than focusing on your work because end of the day you need to show to your boss that you are completed your task. For that, you need to be more focused on a daily basis. Probably if it's going to be an hourly task or end of the day, you need to submit a report where you would be assessed on a daily basis. So in order for you to be more focused, block the distracting websites and use a noise cancelling headphones where you would not be distracted by the outside noises. And you need to set up a goal for you on an hourly basis or on a daily basis. So only then you would be achieving the metrics of success. So you need to be very careful when you're working from remote that you prepare an agenda in order for you to achieve that milestone. Thank you once again, guys, for watching my video. You could experiment these free tools. Go ahead and download Trello, Zoom, and start exploring remote job boards. And thanks for giving me this opportunity to talk to you today. Follow your dreams, work hard to achieve it. You guys can go ahead and reach me and my YouTube channel, reach PK35 PK's Tribe. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you. I will see you soon with another informative videos for you. Bye now.